Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you what to do when you get a message like this. The transaction cannot succeed due to error, undefined. This is probably an issue with one of the tokens you are swapping. This sometimes occurs when you are doing a transaction with Pancerouter on Trust Wallet. As you can see here, I'm trying to swap some BNB for another token. The simple solution to this is you're going to tap on the three dashes right beside the clock icon right there. You're going to tap on that, and right where you see slippage here with the percentage, you're going to gradually increase that. So for instance, if you had set it to 0.1 or 0.05, it would increase it. So at the moment mine is set at 1%. I'm going to increase it to 2%. Then tap on the X here to close out. Then you will tap on swap again. And you'll tap on confirm again. And accept price update, then tap on confirm. And if you see it comes again, you'll simply increase the slippage again. So for instance, instead of the 2% now, I will simply set it to 4%. Then tap on swap again and confirm. And give it a few seconds. And if you see it still come back, you'll gradually continue increasing the slippage. And that's it until the transaction goes through. As you can see here. Tap on confirm. And you just continue increasing the slippage until the transaction goes through. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.